When you feel the welcome chime is muffing, or you feel like your speaker is inside water, then you need to replace the center speaker, which is just behind the iDrive screen.
So this is a cover for this particular speakers. When you take it out, probably one of the clip will break. It should be actually two clips. So let's see.
Here we are using a T20 Torx bit. So there will be 4 screws in there, which are Torx 20, and you need to remove all 4. Once you remove that, you can just pull it out, the whole unit, with the tutor. So the speaker that I bought was from Junkyard, and the speaker is common for all the speaker system in this particular car. The one that I used is not intended for this purpose. Like it doesn't look the same. It's different from what you can see from this particular unit, but the connectivity all is similar. Like there are 2 connections for all those speakers, so if you get from the junkyard, it's good to go. You don't have to worry about that. And you see there is no magnet on this speaker. The one that I bought is having a magnet. You can see that in my following videos. Just unplug these 2 cables. Make sure you pull in the right part, and make sure to put it back properly. So mark the cables before you disconnect. This particular part is a bit tricky because the plastic housing is really brittle. You have to be that careful if you don't want to break it. So just lift it a little bit up and just turn it counterclockwise. That is how you take it out. And once you take it out, you can install the new one. This is the one that I bought from Junkyard. It is for E70 itself, and I got it super cheap. So if you have shop nearby, it will be really easy for you. So as you can see, it's entirely different from what I have removed. You just put it back, keep it in position, and turn it clockwise. And as I told you, you have to remember which connector goes where. So just mark one of the connector and the socket in there, so that you don't miss or you don't do anything wrongly. So everything has to be put in back properly, and that's it. You should be good to go. Once we do that, we will just connect and test it. Now you can hear the new speaker sound from the new speaker. Luckily my speaker was good enough, so the muffling sound is gone, and I'm just installing everything back. And once I install it back, I'm just gonna turn the audio system and see if it is good to go. The sound was good, so that's it, and hope you like the video.